Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to
Yes.
mention item 15.
On file.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm here to receive 3 weeks to file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yes, Counsel, what's it file here?
Yes,
You need to receive?
or instructions, Your Lordship, further clarification for the petition, Your Lordship.
Mr. M. Sololani, counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr.
Longcomer, Your Lordship.
Leonard, government advocate. Some is that he is yet to receive instruction to file affidavit in opposition and prays for some, how much time?
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks time. The prayer is allowed, least this matter after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 23 and 25, Your Lordship.
25.
Yes, 23, 25.
Petitioner is present.
I have 25. 25.
25.
Yes,
Okay. Your good name?
John.
Okay. John P. is on, huh?
Yes.
Then rest the same. And in 23, the petitioner is present.
I'm not, I was not able to look at that.
That is in 25, huh? 23, you are for petitioner. Your name?
Hisinglo.
Hmm?
Hisinglo.
Okay. Name will change, order will be same. Okay.
Publish.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, on behalf of Sibong Chang, Government Advocate, I'd like to mention item 19, 20, 21, and 22. They're yet to receive instructions. So pray for.
Here also, so I think it's. Oh, no. But this 143. 19,
20, 21, and 22, Your Lordship.
okay. How much time you praying for?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Mr. Wali, okay. Mr. Supramoti Wali, Ghana Counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. His name, huh? Appearing on behalf of Ms. Chang, Ghana Government Advocate, prays for 3 weeks time. to obtain instruction and to file affidavit.
Your Lordship, 24 also. Together with,
The prayer is allowed. Please this matter after 3 weeks.
yes, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. Then this, then 19, 20, 21, 22, and
24.
24. Similar
Same.
order.
Okay. Lordship, on behalf of Sipong Chang, hearing item 54 to 59. As she's indisposed, 3 weeks will be granted to Lordship. I've informed the
They are
petitioner.
also counted not right.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, here I'm for the petitioner. Lordship, this matter pertains for minimum scale of pay, and the state respondent, they've been praying for adjournment. That as SLP has been preferred at the Supreme Court. However, the SLP has been dismissed. So
When?
nothing left for the state.
Okay, you have obtained a copy of.
Yes,
that.
this is the
Okay.
good.
Then in view of that,
Yes, we can.
what
proceed
remains?
on.
That was the reason for praying
I
for
believe so.
time.
Lordship, this case was endorsed to another counsel. And she's indisposed today, Lordship.
Okay, 54 to?
59.
59.
Yes. That is dismissed. So your prayer is for?
For minimum scale of pay.
No. The adjournment for?
To grant 3 weeks, Your Lordship, on behalf of Sipong Chang, government advocate.
Let the learned counsel appear there.
Also, then in that case, a date may be fixed,
We'll fix that then.
Lordship,
and no further adjournment may be allowed.
Mr. Learned counsel for the Mr.
Hissing law.
is in law, and learned counsel for the petitioner is present and submit that the state respondent has preferred SLP. Against no, this is filed by you only. Yes, in law?
No, Lordship, this is filed by the state.
No, this writ petition is filed by you only.
Yes.
So then this SLP is by the state.
Yes, Lordship.
How it is connected?
Lordship, even in this matter, from the same department, in the writ petition, this honorable court has directed the state respondent to grant minimum scale of pay to the petitioners.
Then why you have come
And
by before this court?
been aggrieved, the
Hmm.
state has filed a writ appeal before
Okay.
this honorable court, and
Hmm.
that writ appeal was also dismissed.
Okay.
And again, they have preferred an SLP before the Supreme Court,
Hmm.
and that was also dismissed on 24th of September. This
Now, instead of filing contempt, why you have come by way of this writ petition?
no lordship,
Should have
Hey.
been contempt.
here in my case,
Hmm.
this honorable court have given a direction to grant minimum scale of pay to me.
Hmm.
However, they have filed an impugn letter stating that there's no government policy to grant minimum scale of pay to me. So I've challenged that letter.
Yeah.
Yes, Lordship.
SLP then is not connected with this case now,
No, Lordship is connected. It's all, even in that SLP.
because
letter.
you are challenging the separate impugn order. Impugn the separate order
Yes,
here in
Lordship.
this writ petition.
Yes. However, even in that SLP also, that's.
Anyway, the learned counsel is not present today,
Hmm.
so we'll decide on that day. So praying for 3 weeks' time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Snehal, appearing on behalf of
Sipong Chang, Miss
Sipong
Sipong Chang,
Chang. Learned counsel, learned
State Counsel.
state council. Prays for adjournment of the matter for 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
SC is
Indisposed, Your Lordship.
okay indisposed. Stop. In view of the above, the case stand adjourned. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, may I also mention item 46 to 49, hearing item on behalf of Pichano, Ms. Pichano, and with the consent of the petitioner. Received for 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in that case, Your Lordship, the matter may be fixed on 12, Your Lordship, 12 of November, Your Lordship.
Well,
Lordship,
so here, okay. Here also you are praying on behalf of,
Ms. Pichano.
Okay.
State Counsel.
on the prayer of the Mr. So appearing on behalf of Ms. Chang, Direct Government Entities, for the state respondent. List this matter. No, you want the
Your
date,
Lordship,
okay,
on 12 of November.
on the joint prayer made by both the Rani Council parties. List this matter on 12,
Lordship,
okay. 12 November, okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Admission item number 5. I may be granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply, Lordship.
Reply not yet filed.
Lordship,
Mr. Supporting Rani Council for the petitioner. Praise for father, how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file the affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent. State respondent?
Lordship,
By the state respondent. Okay, the prayer not objected to by Mr. Zumomi, Lana Council, Lana Government Advocate. No, Senior Government Advocate. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, we can I beg to mention item number 10. I have a same prayer, Lordship. Yep.
Item
Then I have the same prayer.
10 also counter not yet filed. You are for the
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. The states have filed it.
state is not yet filed. Why you are seeking adjournment?
Lordship, I have received the copy, Lordship.
Hmm?
I have received the copy.
Oh, you have received, they have filed now.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. You want to file reply?
Lordship, 3 weeks may be granted to
Okay,
file reply.
Mr. Supporting Lana Council for the petitioner submits that he has received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent and prays for some time to file affidavit in reply. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Lordship, we can I beg to mention item 28, Your Lordship. I have instruction from the petitioner, Your Lordship. I pray that the matter I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file afresh. Item 28.
28.
I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file afresh.
Why?
This is the instruction given by the petitioner, Lordship.
Mhm.
This is the instruction given by the petitioner's Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Supporting Lana Council for the petitioner submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file a press. This petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Okay. Mr. Jimomi is present also may be recorded. Madam Council, state respondent is present. Okay.
Bless Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Lordship. Lordship, here, the state respondent is yet to file.
Affidavit not yet filed.
Not yet filed, waiting for a signature, Lordship. So if Lordship, please grant 3 weeks time.
My lord, on last occasion, that is on 23rd September, last chance was granted to file to the state to file the counter.
Lordship, signature is awaited, Lordship. So if Lordship may grant another 3 weeks time.
Okay, you are Miss
Capricino.
Caprice Senior, Lana Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Jimomi, Lana Government Advocate for the respondent, submits that the affidavit is ready, however, the signature is awaited and pray for 1 week time,
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. For the 2 weeks time, the prayer is allowed. List this matter of 2 weeks.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship. Yeah,
7 also not yet filed.
not yet filed. 3 weeks time.
Yes. So, yes, sorry. Okay. Mr. Limau, sorry, Mr. Your
For the petitioner.
Limau Apong, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Jimo, you are for
Respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4 has filed counter.
Yeah, qualify, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Jimomi. Line Government Advocate. Raise for further 3 weeks time to file counter. In the affidavit, in opposition. The prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, I have beg to mention item number 6 on behalf of empty inside, Lordship.
Here it appears pleading complete.
Lordship, so if this matter can be listed for hearing, Lordship.
Okay, which for the petitioner is present? Joshua.
Since the pleading is complete, Lordship. listed
for the-
for hearing.
Miss, your miss,
Okay, Lily Su.
had Mr. Line Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Jimomi. Line Government Advocate, stop.
Lordship, I'm not in this case.
You are not in this case.
Yes, Lordship.
Because there, Mika is there. Info.
6, oh, okay, Lordship, yes, yes.
Okay. The Line Counsel for the party submits that the pleading is completed and the matter is ready for hearing. So list this matter for hearing. List this matter for hearing after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item 24, Lordship, on behalf of MSC Naholi, Lordship. Lordship, here she is yet to receive instruction, Lordship. If Lordship may please to run through 24, Lordship.
Already adjourned, I think. Adjourned.
Lordship, then hearing item number 36 to 45, Lordship. Lordship, I've been instructed to list the matter after, on 12th of November. 12th of November.
You are for the petition.
For a petition.
On 12,
Lordship,
on the. You agree with the date,
Lordship?
on 12. is it
Yes, on
okay?
12.
On the joint prayer made by both the Land Council for the parties. This is matter on 12, 11. For hearing. Okay.
obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. Item number 23. And grant me 3 weeks time to file my opposition.
23 already, I think. Adjourned. 23. Already adjourned,
Lord,
In 23, there is interim.
Who made a prayer then? 23. What is the order? Petitioner. Yes.
I sought for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to
3
file
weeks' time.
counter affidavit.
Use. Government advocate. Okay, then,
I may bring for respondent number 7.
okay, in that case, you are for respondent number,
Yes.
and who is for the petition? You are for petitioner. Should have informed. Inform them.
I thought the petitioner was present that time.
Hmm. No.
Yes, apologies, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Then in that case, you are Mr.
Yes, me.
Land Council for the petitioner is also present staff. But in the last then, there is interim.
Yes, Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier said continue till the next date. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention here in civil revisit petition number 13 of 2022. Lordship, I have an instruction that my senior will be withdrawing his name from the Wakalan Nama. So I pray that if Your Lordship may,
Item,
Lordship, civil revisit petition number 13 of 2022.
okay. you
I have
want-
an instruction that my senior will be withdrawing his name from the Wakalan Nama. So I pray that if Your Lordship may,
Civil revision.
yes.
You
May
want this to
kindly
be
add
listed?
the Lordship,
You want this to be listed tomorrow?
tomorrow, Lordship.
Mention is to be made in the senior bench. Mention before the senior bench, it will be listed here only. Okay,
Lordship.
Mm.
Obliged.
May I bless your lordship?
yes.
Lordship, item number 16. Since I'm waiting for instruction, kindly grant me 3 weeks of time to file my affidavit. Item number 16,
16.
Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Wati Jammer, counsel for the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
Msukachi, Lordship.
Appear on behalf of Mr. Wati Jamila, counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Jungli,
Government Advocate, raise for
3 weeks, Lordship. Waiting for instruction
for the
to
3
file
weeks-
my affidavit.
for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Lordship.
Okay. The prayer not objected. List is matter after 3, accordingly, list is matter after 3 weeks. Huh?
2 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship. 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay,
Lordship, similar prayer 26 and 33. Still, I'm yet to receive instruction. 26 and 33. 26.
so who is for the petitioner in 26?
I'm for the petitioner.
Okay, Mr. Hisin, line counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Sen, praise for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer allowed, list is matter after 3 weeks. 33 also,
Lordship,
same,
Lordship,
where the counsel is also same. Similar order. 3 weeks time.
Lordship. Lordship, similar prayer, item number 27. Yet to receive instruction, so kindly grant 3 weeks of time to file affidavit.
So,
Your Lordship.
okay, then here, name will change, Mr. M Solo, huh? Current counsel for the petitioner present and similar prayer, similar order. Okay, after
Lordship,
3 weeks.
Lordship,
3 weeks.
Lordship, on behalf of AIUMA, I would like to seek 3 weeks of time, item number 9. Since here, similar prayer that waiting for instruction. AIUMA.
Yes, here also counsel not filed.
Item
Your
number
Lordship,
Who is for the petition?
it has been almost a year. They have not filed the affidavit.
Well, why
State
the
respond-
state is not filing
It is a covered case, Your Lordship.
23?
I think number 9.
I've been instructed that she have not received an instruction, Lordship.
Who?
AIUMA.
Okay, Mr. Mr.
Benison Bishoy.
Benison V. Sohi, Lana counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Snema, appearing on behalf of
AIUMA.
AI,
A.IUMA. AYIM.
Lana government advocate for the respondent, appearing on, who appears on behalf of the respondent. Praise for the 3 weeks time to file. Obtain instruction,
Yes, yes.
2023 case, still
Yes,
waiting
sir.
for obtaining instruction. Time to obtain instruction and to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed, list is matter after 3 weeks. Okay,
Yes, Lordship, here similar prayer on behalf of AIUMA, item number 13, 17, 18. Here, she have received an instruction, but to file an affidavit, she seek 3 weeks of time. 13, 17, and 18.
13, reply not filed,
Lordship.
Not yet.
affidavit probably has filed,
No,
not, they have not yet filed.
not yet.
But in,
That
as
is
per the
state.
last order, I think that you made a prayer for.
Private respondent, they file it. The state has
Oh,
not.
private
filed it.
respondent.
Yes.
And then you also made prayer to file reply to the affidavit filed by the private respondent.
Not exactly.
Not
I said,
exactly.
Yeah, I'll seek instruction, that's all.
Seeking instruction,
Yeah, that's all.
okay. I think the office note, reply note.
My lord, last chance may be given to the, this thing,
Okay,
and let it be fixed after 2 weeks.
Mr. Ijo.
She have instructed for 3 weeks. Then here.
Counsel for the
So
petition.
let it be the last chance for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay. Then, Mr. Yeah, you are appearing here or you are appearing on behalf of,
Behalf of AIUMA.
okay. Yeah, Danik, common advocate. Private respondent already filed. Okay,
Yes.
praise for further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
17 and 18 too, Lordship.
Large.
17 and 18.
Yes, they are also not yet filed.
Lordship.
Why the states are not filing in all the cases?
Lordship, they have received instruction, but it seems they sent to obtain signature. That was instructed.
Okay, Miss Hisinla, Mr. Hisinla, line counsel for a petitioner is present. State, you are appearing on behalf of?
Yeah, you.
Appearing on behalf of Jumlana government advocate. Submits that the instruction has already been received. However, prays for some more time. How much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 17
Yes, 17 and 18.
and 18.
Lordship.
Okay.
Similar.
Obliged.
Mm.
But this, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 52 on behalf of Toshi Temjan. Your Lordship, kindly list this matter after vacation.
52.
Yes, Your Lordship. 52.
You are for the petitioner,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Benisun Vishoy on behalf of Toshi Temjan.
appearing on behalf of Toshi Tamjan Pongner, current counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter after
After vacation.
the ensuing vacation. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after
Vacation.
the vacation. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please the Lordship? Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 8, Lordship. Lordship, here the state respondent is yet to receive any instruction, Lordship. If Lordship may please to grant another 2 weeks time.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, here I have a limited prayer. Therefore, I pray that last opportunity may be given.
Yes, non-release of salary only.
Lordship, non-release of the salary,
Then
Lordship. So, Lordship, if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
can obtain
So that-
instruction and we can pass order also.
Lordship. So if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship. Earlier, this matter was handled by Madam Livka, but since she's on maternity leave, the matter has been endorsed to me. But after going through the records, we have not received any instruction.
Miss
Ace Jillian.
S. Jillian, and counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Jimomi, appearing on behalf of the state respondent.
Lord. And may allow to get a necessary instruction, Lordship.
Praise for obtain, praise for, how much time you said?
2 weeks, 2 weeks
2
time.
weeks time. To obtain necessary instruction and to file affidavit in opposition, if required. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lachman.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 50, Lordship, on behalf of Imsong additional AG, Lordship.
50.
50. I pray that this matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Who is for the petition?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Peter, Your Lordship, for the petitioner.
Mr. Sona appear on behalf of P. Sorian, land counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Jimomi sought for, how much time you said?
3 weeks time, Lordship.
Father, 3 weeks. Oh, sorry, sought for adjournment of the matter for 3 weeks. Prayer not objected. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 51, Your Lordship. 51, Your
This is
Lordship.
fixed matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. It was a fixed matter on request of the petitioner or on the parties, Your Lordship. It was fixed on request of the parties, Your Lordship. Since
Yes.
the counsel, he is from Gauhati, Your Lordship, outstation counsel, Your Lordship.
It's criminal petition.
51. 51.
Okay.
If I pray that the matter be fixed on 4th November.
No,
Your
we'll not fix. After fixing also. Seek for
Lordship, the
adjournment.
council is in dispose of your lordship, and he's from Gauhati, your lordship.
Mr. Soro appearing on land council submits that the council is on in dispose.
Lordship,
The land council for the petitioner is in dispose and prays for fixing this matter on
4th November, your lordship.
Hmm?
4th November.
4/11, to which the land council for the respondent has no objection. Accordingly, list this matter on 4/11. Okay,
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, lordship. Lordship, I just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, lordship. So I pray that this matter may be listed after vacation. Lordship, if this matter may be listed for admission hearing, since this is a covered case, my lord.
I think hardly there is. Will adjourn, wait for some time.
32, lordship.
32.
Yes, lordship. I just received just now affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents, lordship.
Lordship, we have filed the affidavit, counter affidavit this morning, your lordship.
We'll see the record and pass order. Wait for some time. Okay,
Okay, lordship.
nothing much left.
Okay, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 53, your lordship. Here, the leading counsel is from Gauhati, and he has expressed his difficulties today and prays for the listing of the matter on 14th of November.
This is 53.
53, your lordship.
This is you are not here.
Lordship, here, the leading counsel is from Gauhati, Ardhor, lordship.
Okay. Mr. So why he could not come?
Lordship, he has some personal difficulties, your lordship.
Mr. You're Mr.
I, Jamir.
Your name is also there.
Yes, but here I'm led by my the counsel from Gauhati, Ardhor, Rahul Dharan, lordship.
Is quashing petition only.
Lordship.
I, Zamir. So, Mr. The leading counsel in the present case has some difficulties. Has some personal difficulties today and prays for adjournment of. When do you want, you said?
Lordship,
Prays
it's
for adjournment of the case.
on 14th of
Yeah.
November.
This matter during the second week of the November. Okay.
Obliged, lordship.
Please, your lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 31. I'm appearing on behalf of Nagali Shohe. She has an instruction to appear for respondent number 2 and 3. And also she'll be filing her Bagala Dama today. So kindly,
Respondent,
yes, respondent number 2 and 3.
who is for the petition?
31, yes, 31.
Dusty was taken upon whom? Dusty service.
Respondent number 2 and 3.
And you are for?
Service is completed, my lord.
You are
30.
31.
you are appearing on behalf of
Behalf of Nagali Shohe,
for respondent number
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Yes, lordship.
Dusty service was affected upon respondent number
2
2
and
and
3.
3.
Yes.
Okay. You have filed affidavit today?
Yes, I filed today, my lord.
Hmm?
I filed the completion of service today only. I filed the affidavit this morning only.
Already filed.
Yes.
Bring that also. Wait for some time.
Okay.
We'll adjourn. Okay.
My pleasure, lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30 on behalf of my seniors and the younger lordship. Lordship, my senior is on leave. So I pray that this matter may be listed after the holiday.
For the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, Mr.
Nokle M. Konyak.
Hearing on behalf of Mr. Shanking, the land counsel for the petitioner, praise for. Well, here, probably, the respondent has also not yet filed affidavit
Your lordship, we have already filed.
Already filed when?
Yes, yesterday we have filed.
Yesterday only?
Yes, your lordship, we have received the affidavit.
Okay. Okay, your miss?
Ali Tosu,
Aritosu, Learned Counsel for respondent number
respondent number 2.
submits that she has filed affidavit on behalf of the respondent. Arito submits that she has filed affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 2. Mr.
Lokle M Konyak,
Appearing on behalf of Sankirgar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for adjournment of the matter 4.
lordship, it may be fixed on November 4th,
Prays for fixing this matter on
4th November.
4th November.
Yes, your lordship.
Why?
Lordship, this matter was fixed today, lordship, but due to some medical urgency, my senior could not be present here today.
He want you to get it fixed on 4th.
Yes, your lordship.
4th, okay. List this matter on 4th November. Okay,
Deeply appreciate.
May I please, your lordship?
yeah,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29. 29. Lordship, may I kindly grant 4 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit, lordship.
rejoinder.
Lordship,
Miss,
Nilhuvola, I'm the petitioner, lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for 2 weeks time to file rejoinder.
4 weeks time, lordship.
Hmm?
4 weeks time, lordship.
4 weeks
Lordship,
for rejoinder.
lordship.
Okay, it's your case for filing rejoinder. The prayer not objected, accordingly list this matter after 4 weeks. Okay,
Much obliged.
May it please the lordship.
yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 35. Lordship, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, lordship.
you're for,
I'm for the petitioner, lordship.
okay. Mr.
W. Marfu, lordship.
W. Maru, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, my lordship? Lordship, this instant criminal petition is filed for question of the FIR dated so and consequent criminal proceeding thereof in GR case number 782 of 2023.
The joint petition.
Yes, lordship.
What is the offense?
Lordship, petitioner number 1 was the accused in the lower court, and petition number 2 is the victim.
What is the offense
Lordship,
registered?
oh, yeah.
against,
Lordship, the petition number 2 was lured into buying a land and was cheated of some amount of money by the petition number 1, along with 4 other accused persons. In the instance, the petition number 2 lodged an FIR before the Dipper Police Station, Chumukidima, and in this condition, the petition number 1 was arrested on 2011-2023. And case was registered as Dipper Police Station case number so-and-so and GR case number 7782 of 2023.
Case has been filed in the charge sheet also.
Yes, Lordship. The charge sheet, Lordship, the charge sheet is in annexure A, page number 17.
That's
And it should be-
submitted under what? Under offense?
Under section 406, 417, 420, 120B, and 506 of IPC.
Lordship, the parties have settled the issue. Lordship, kindly turn to page number 30. The settlement agreement is annexure C.
Yes. This seems was a civil case, it appears.
Lordship.
Lordship, there were five accused. Only one of them is here. If I don't know whether.
Lordship, the reason why only among the accused person, only the petition number 1 is included is because in the charge sheet they've submitted, they included only the petition number 1, Lordship, that is Timothy Joshi.
Okay, otherwise the complaint or the FIR was against all these five.
Yes, Lordship.
So nothing was found against the rest of the four persons. Four alleged accused person.
Yeah, they submitted the charge sheet only for petition number 1.
Whether the other
The
alleged accused person were also arrested.
Yes, Lordship, they were also arrested.
In the charge sheet, whether the IO made prayer for this discharge of the.
But But in the charge sheet, Lordship, the IO of the case submitted the charge sheet only for petition number 1, and the charge sheet
Whatever the
accused person has not been filed till date, Lordship.
what about the other persons whom the IO has arrested?
Has not been submitted. The charge sheet has not been submitted.
What the IO says about them? Made a prayer for their discharge.
Now, Lordship, Lordship, I'm appearing only on the behalf of petition number, the only one accused.
Then let us see your prayer.
Lordship, I'm praying to quash and set aside the FIR dated 3/12/2023 filed by the petition number 2. And quash aside the criminal proceeding against the accused.
But that allegation is against all the five accused persons.
Yes, Lordship.
Then.
And the settlement was also between all the five accused and the appellant. That is petition number 2.
So the allegation against and the case register arrest all those against the four accused person unceremoniously dismissed by the IO.
Lordship, that
Mr. Angami.
Nothing is mentioned, Lordship. Nothing is
So
mentioned about
whatever the arrest.
that is the issue now. Nothing is charged.
What they are doing, it's civil case otherwise registered and then pick and choice.
Yes.
File only against one,
Yes.
not saying anything about the rest of the accused persons.
Lordship.
Should I pray if they are nothing found, then should I made a prayer to discharge them?
Lordship. Is that
The court will not find their name then,
the second last.
unless they are discharged.
Yes.
It will be difficult for them
Yes.
in the case, because case has already been registered, arrested.
Yes. Says the arrested person and his gang. We feel conscious of so then it's well found against the arrested person. Goes like that. So this is a bit technical.
Then the records, in the record, it will not be available. It is because it is with the IO. IO has not submitted anything against all this about the four.
As per this, except some statement.
Okay, anyway, so what we can do is let us call for record, scan copy.
Okay. Lordship.
Mr.
Yeah, Kasumi Lordship.
Learning Counsel for the petition.
Lordship, there is an interim.
Right. Now, interim, it will be difficult because because what happened for what about the others?
Yes.
Interim, you are praying for. Just a minute. No interim at this stage, huh? Because let the court decide based on the record, issuing summon and all. Let the process
Lordship.
be initiated. This is an application under section 480.
Lordship, may I?
Code of, just a minute, Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, for quashing of FIR, 13/12/2023, and consequential judicial proceedings. Under GR case number 782/2023, arising out of the Pupar Police Station case number 0094/2023. Under section 406/417/420/120B 506 of the Indian Penal Code 1816, pending before the court of the which court? You have not.
CJM Lordship. Dimapur.
Chief Judicial Magistrate, Dimapur.
Lordship.
Okay. This petition, in the petition, this is a joint petition, huh? Joint petition filed by the petitioners. Okay.
Lordship, if you may.
Also, the scanned copy of the trial court record. Issue notice. Now, since Mr. Rangami appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice may be issued. Start. List this matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks. So, just a minute. Huh? You were arrested and kept for how many days? Now released only. Okay, so there is some complications.
For police
We'll not stay at the moment. Let the record come. We'll see. Okay.
Lordship,
Nothing will happen.
The charge sheet for petition number 1 is out, so if they could like stay the proceeding for petition number 1.
No. So then whom to issue? Let us see what let us see the record of the trial court also. Let him proceed because there is a complications. There are 5 accused persons, only against 1. The 5 persons were arrested. The charge is filed only against 1. So probably there may be some other some other reason for not filing, or subsequent filing may also be there. So let us wait for some time till the record comes. We'll peruse the record and pass necessary order. Nothing will happen against you in the meantime. Okay.
Much obliged.
For motion, item numbers 2 and 3.
Yep, this your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this instant IA is filed praying for implementation of Sri RP Singh, the Executive Director, NHIDCL, as respondent number 7.
You have responded.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'll be appearing for, I have no objection to it. I'll be appearing for that ED, Your Lordship.
Okay. Respondent number you say?
Respondent number 7.
7.
Yes, lordship. in my IA page number 132.
Okay, Miss
K. Lilisu.
Lara Counsel for the applicant. Para. This is an application seeking leave of this court for implement of Sri R.P. Singh, the Executive Director, NHIDCL, as respondent number 7 in civil origin contempt petition number 13/2024. It is submitted that during the pendency of the contempt petition, the respondent number 6, Sri Sushil Kumar, who was the Executive Director, NHI DCL Kohima, Nagaland, has been transferred, and in his place, new incumbent, Sri R.P. Singh, has been posted. Hence, pray for implement of Sri R.P. Singh as respondent number 7 in the contempt petition number 13/2024. Stop. The prayer considered and allowed. Let Mr. R.P. Singh, let Sri R.P. Singh, Executive Director or NHIDCL Kohima be implemented as respondent number 7 in the contempt petition. Stop. With the above this, I stands allowed and disposed of. In the main. Yes. Man, in view of the for the past today in IA 172/2024. R.P. Singh, executive list term. Executive
NHIDCL.
Executive Director. Yeah.
Executive Director, NHIDCL Kohima. Has been implemented as respondent number 7 in the contempt 7. Stop. The petitioner shall amend the course title by inserting the name of R.P. Singh as respondent. R.P. Singh, same,
Yes, Lordship.
Director at NHIDCL Kohima as respondent number 7. Stop. The registry shall do the needful. Stop. The petitioner shall take. You are appearing on behalf of
6 and 7 is okay.
6 and
7, Your Lordship.
for this one also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, since Mr. Tono accepted, is present and accepted notice on behalf of the newly implemented
Yes, sir.
respondent number 7, no formal notice need be issued.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. List this matter. You are for?
I have entered a place for respondent number 4.
Okay, Mr. Zimomi. Is also present on behalf of respondent number 4, sir. Okay, list this one. Then when do you want?
Lordship, after 1 week.
Let's pray for come. List this matter after a week. Okay.
My lord,
You want to file? You want to file affidavit?
Lordship.
my lord, for respondent number 2.
Okay, Mr. Okay.
But I have not yet filed with my Bakalan amendment.
Oh, not yet filed.
Yes.
Okay, Mr.
Even two, I
Jen-
have
Muli,
petition for opposition.
then I should just appear on behalf of respondent number
Two, my lord.
Two, and prays for some time to file wakalatnama.
Yes.
Okay, you want to file affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship. Similar
Okay,
prayer.
Mr. Sono, however, after that, Sono, however, prays for some time to file affidavit, Okay, Para, last, in view of the above, list is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
For admission, number 11.
Lordship, if this matter can come up after the listed matter, Lordship,
Which one?
the counsel appearing for the respondent, item 11, Lordship. She's on leg on court number 1, Lordship. So if this matter can come up after the listed matter.
Okay, you are for the petitioner.
Petition, my lord.
I think there is no authorization. Is there any authorization by the accused persons who is inside the jail?
Yes.
Where?
It's in the Vakalatma signature before filing.
No. Who filed the petition?
The relative of accused number 1.
Who authorized the relative?
Normally, my lord, the signature,
Hmm.
the petitioner is the relative of accused number 1, and he
Who
has filed.
authorized the petition to file this application? They have not authorized. There has to be some authorization, authorizing the petition to file a bail application on their behalf. That authorization is not there. You
Right.
just check it. Check it.
Vakalatma, it is signed by all the accused persons.
Now is authorization
Yes.
to the advocate only. But then the petitioner is to be authorized first.
Yes.
Whether the petitioner has been authorized, no. Just see, check.
No, in this petition, it is not. But then in my affidavit, I have said that
No, affidavit, who declared the affidavit? Who authorized you to declare the affidavit? That authorization has to be there, authorization letter, we authorize Mr. So-and-so to file bail application on our
I'll
behalf.
produce the authorization letter, my lord.
Please check and produce, okay. After some time,
Lordship. Since the leading counsel, she's on.
no,
leg
so
court-
there is no authorization here.
Lordship.
Or what do we do? What do you do? You want to withdraw or you want to file authorization?
I'll just produce the
thereafter?
authorization letter. my lord.
So he has signed, he has already filed without authorization.
My lord, the consent has been taken and then he has filed on behalf of all the accused persons.
No,
The petition.
where is that? Where is that authorization?
That I'll produce, my lord. I'll let them authorize petitioner, authorizing the petition, and then I'll produce my lord.
What I'm saying is the petition has already been filed,
Yes, my lord.
but there is no authorization. He has no right to file this petition. How the register also in the registry, it was accepted, no authorization letter, unless there is an authorization to file a bail application. You have no right to file on their behalf.
My lord, I may be allowed, liberty may be granted to me to produce the authorization letter, my lord, in that case.
When?
Thanks.
But whether it will be proper that after filing the.
So that is why I'm saying,
Yes.
it may not be proper
Lordship.
because you have already filed without any authorization. That itself is.
Yes, that too, yes. I have not submitted, but then in my affidavit, I have stated that.
No,
yes,
affidavit,
Yes.
who authorized you to say, file this affidavit itself? To file affidavit, to file petition, bail applications, you have to first need to have the authorization letter
My lord.
from the person. And then you say, I think this is for 3 person,
Yes.
how that can also be? So all of these 3 person, if they want, their bail application should be filed by somebody, they need to authorize the person.
Lordship.
And it is sometimes it's very difficult also. The fact of the case may be different, punishment also may be different. Supposing bail condition, bail amount, for one person, it may be 2 lakhs. Another person, it may be 500 or 5,000. So there is difficulties. And then it will go. The last time we've seen one bail application, the person who was innocent also filed along with the other. Then the bail amount was 2 lakhs for the others, and then he also had to give a security of 2 lakhs in the NDPS case. Risk, there is a risk. File separate bail application if possible. I think better you withdraw.
Yes.
No right.
Well-
Mr.
With no question, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays for allowing him to withdraw this bail application with liberty to file afresh. The prayer is allowed. This bail application dismissed on being withdrawn with liberty is prayed for. Okay.
Bless my lord.
For admission, item number 12.
May I please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly allow me to place these documents. Lord, as per this medical records, she was admitted on 9/10/2024, and she was discharged on 17/10/2024. My lord, as per the records, she has been diagnosed with seizure disorder, adjustment disorder, predominant, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and the patient
I hope
presenting
there is
with.
authorization here in this case.
Yes,
Proper
Lord.
authorization.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. It's there in the Bakalatnama.
Kalatnama.
Yes, Lordship.
The accused is
Yes,
inside
yes,
the
yes.
custody.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us see the authorization. Who is the
Uh,
petitioner?
Petitioner is the husband of the
Where is
accused.
the authorization?
My lord, it's there in the Bakalatnama. It's been signed by the jail authority as well as the,
Wakalatnama is authorizing the advocate.
my lord, yes. Jail authority has also signed as well as the accused has also signed there.
Wakalatnama is only the authority. Or this is an authorization to the advocate. To
Yes,
appear
Lordship.
on her behalf. But then to sign affidavit, where is the authorization? Can you just?
My lord, since it's been there in the Bakalatnama, they
No,
authorized through Bakalatnama, my lord.
where
By-
in the Wakalatnama it is mentioned?
By
Her husband will file affidavit.
by signing the accused
Where?
as well as, my lord, it's there, my lord.
No, it cannot be.
This only confined as my lord has observed
Hmm?
to authorizing the advocate. What Kalanama is simply authorizing the advocate lordship.
Advocate only,
Yes.
not the person to sign affidavit.
No state, it appears, no statement has been made in the affidavit also here. So that he said he's competent to sign it, this affidavit.
Only is because his husband, he is not.
My lord, as well as the
automatically-
petitioner, as well as the accused, as well as the jail authority has signed there, my lord.
Jail authority has signed in the Wakalatnama where the
Out-
accused has authorized
Yes, lordship, it's there, my lord. It's
the
there, my lord.
advocate to appear on her behalf.
Yes, lordship. They have authorized me by signing through Vakalatnama, my lord.
How?
Through jail authority as well as accused as well as the petitioner, my lord.
Let us see your affidavit.
It's at page 8, my lord. My lord, paragraph 3, lord, my lordship. Their number has also been provided, my lord.
See, there is no authorization, and then you have also not even said that I have been authorized. No, we will not allow this. We'll have to follow the basic rules. But why the registry accept? Why the registry has accepted without authorization? It's better. Because tomorrow the big question will arise. Without authorization, bail order was passed. It will be difficult. You file afresh. Where is there is nothing. You did not say anything in the affidavit also. And in fact, I have seen the record also. Merit also. It will be difficult. All normal. The report
My lord,
also. But
my-
then, but then there is a defect in the affidavit. You file. No, it's a bail application. You withdraw and file afresh. No authorization, it will be dismissed only. You have not even said anything in the affidavit also. There is no authorization, but then beside that, you have also not said that there is, you have been authorized also. No. Mr.
Mr. Kachish, Your Lordship.
Mr. Gachisi, then counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw this bail application with liberty to file afresh. The prayer is enough. This bail application is dismissed on being withdrawn with liberty as prayed for.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 14.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I filed this criminal petition as I've been compelled to highlight the arbitrariness of the order. However, Lordship, before going into the case, at the outset, Lordship, even here, the impugned order is a bail order passed by the Special Judge Mukokchung. And being aggrieved by this order, I'm before my lord today. And
Just a minute.
Lordship.
This is quashing petition.
Lordship, yes, I have invoked provision for inherent powers and also for bail, Lordship. However, I would like to come clean before this court. I also have not furnished an authorization as such, but in my petition, I am assailing, I'm coming through the bail petition was duly taken up before the learned special judge, and as the order was passed accordingly, and being aggrieved with that order, Lordship, I'm before this court today.
So the offense is under 22, registered under 22C.
Lordship, yes, yes. That is the registering section in the FIR. But nonetheless, Lordship, the IO who has recorded my statement on the initial days of custody has given me a clean slate. But in spite of that,
How many accused were there?
only one, Your Honor. I'm a driver. I was traveling, and in my vehicle, so many grocery goods were loaded. And there I'm traveling from Jorhat to Nagaland, Mukokchung. And since there are so many grocery goods that were loaded at the behest of my clients, I admit that I did not take the trouble to go through each and every whatever was packed. And the case of the prosecution is that when I was intercepted at Wati Yongpang check gate, the police, they had supposedly recovered 320 Epcors cuffs medicine. And that is the case in a nutshell. And Lordship, in the course of investigation, the IO found that I was not in conscious possession. That is what I construct from this. And during the hearing before the learned special judge, the IO, the learned special PP, referring to the report of the IO, had gone on record to state that there's nothing against him. However, the learned special judge, in her wisdom, had said that it is premature to release at this time, Lordship.
Oh, bail rejected.
Lordship, yes. And see,
So this is
Lordship,
quashing petition only.
yes, Lordship, I'm
Not
invoking the
bail
inherent power of this court. Yes, Lordship. And in my cost title, it is at page 1, it is clear. I'm invoking inherent powers. And to that effect also, I'm adducing some case laws, Lordship. When the investigating agency itself does not require me, Lordship, what purpose would it serve by my continued indefinite detention? It is the 56th day today, Lordship. And also I've enclosed a document to the
Whether
effect
the
that
case, the investigation completed? No.
No, Lordship, almost completed as per the status report, Lordship.
Okay, status report.
Yes.
You have the scanned copy of the record.
Lordship report as first saying that that is supposed to be called for by the
It
registry.
was called for.
But
It says that Mr. Angami, then PP.
Yes.
So on the next date, place a scanned copy of the records.
yes, that is the case, but again, technical difficulties is that to.
Okay, record was not called for.
Yes, that is supposed to be called, if it is a case of the lower court record.
Yes,
that's
yet it
supposed-
has to be called for only.
Yes, by the court, registry itself.
Yes.
So on my part, what I do is I've collected the status report.
What it says?
It says,
Is that majority against the accused?
No, say that the proprietor of the owner of the consignment has been arrested, and nothing is serious is found, nothing is found against
The driver.
The driver.
Driver was innocent. He did not know.
He did
about
not
it.
know, and even
Okay, it was it was loaded by the
yes,
the person there.
laborers, yes.
And then this consignment was sent to the person who was to receive, whether the person who was to receive also admitted.
No, Worship, in that last second paragraph, we said during.
The person has come. Okay, the co-accused also has been, she has also been arrested.
Yes.
Loaded. Because the consignment, when it's sent or load in the truck, the list is supposed to carry the list also. Is cannot say now, actually. It is innocent, because list is supposed to be within list of the consignment.
Lordship, it is not my case that the special judge is completely helpless when there is no adverse objection from the IO. But in a bail order, reasons has to be there, and reasons have to be tenable in the eyes of law.
This is quasi petition. And
Lordship.
probably you need to first get bail from it, from the case, and then quasi petition will take time.
Lordship, if I
Yes.
may be.
So why don't you file separate bail application?
Lordship, see, I have filed since it pertains to the same accused person, the same relief, the same records, Lordship, I filed this petition because the High
You
Court
dispose
rules.
of it. Then we'll have to wait for. Records.
Lordship, all records, necessary records are here, Lordship. And Lordship, if my Lord may kindly refer to my petition, the accused person's wife was due to give birth on the 9th October, Lordship. And in the course of this petition, Lordship, I am informed yesterday that on 11th October, she had given birth and the child did not survive. After 30 days, after 30 minutes, the child passed away and the accused has not been in the
What
loop
is
till
the
now.
difficulty is filing
Lordship.
bail application? Because you, first of all, you require bail.
Lordship, yes.
What is the difficulty is filing bail application?
Lordship, I have invoked the provision for bail also in this application, Lordship.
No, here,
528 of the
quasi
BNSS.
petition, which will take long time.
Lordship,
How
yes.
the case can be quashed? Because some other person has also been arrested in connection with this
No,
case.
I'm not asking for this case to be quashed, but I'm asking for the impugned order, Lordship, that it is premature to release, Lordship. This premature, the settled
It was
position.
premature only at
Lordship,
the time.
there, Lordship, I concede to that much. However, premature, Lordship. There are a category of
Because
decisions where,
subsequently, I think the other person were arrested subsequently.
Lordship, a person can be arrested today and tomorrow itself he can be released if at all he is innocent, Lordship. There is no law which says that a person has to be mandatorily kept.
How the court can come into that?
Lordship,
conclusion
that can
is
be
innocent?
based on the investigating officer's report, Lordship. If the IO does not require me, what purpose would it serve? Is the court expected to investigate the matter, Lordship?
Now, you see, the court has to see.
Of course, Lordship. If
The
at
person
all-
has been
Yes, Lordship.
arrested for commission of the his offense.
Yes, Lordship.
The material was recovered
Yes,
from
Lord.
him, from his possession only.
Yes, Lordship.
And then if the IO submit that he is innocent.
Lordship. That is not
and
my
without
case either,
examining
Lordship.
others, without examining everything, no, because the other person is to be arrested.
Yes, yes.
The person who sent the consignment, who are to receive. And then the consignment, as I said, that it has to, he is supposed to have the list.
I understand, Lordship.
So how do the court believe IO also in such cases?
Lordship.
Where
yes,
so many things are
yes,
involved,
yes,
and then
I
it's
do understand.
premature.
Yes,
to premature to release under the circumstances. We do not know, the court would not know whether the person is involved or not.
Lordship.
Only because the IO says he is innocent.
Lordship, yes,
For
yes,
what
that is
purpose
not
the
my
IO
case,
says,
Lordship.
the court would not know.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, however, if I may be permitted to refer to the impugned order, simply putting a reason, the ratio that it is premature, Lordship, that is not a reason. There are so many decisions rendered by the Honorable Supreme Court where parameters have been laid down, guidelines have been given, which are to be considered for bail, Lordship. Merely assigning the reason premature, Lordship. In that case, if such an order is
what
allowed
will
to
do?
continue, Lordship,
Quashing petition.
Lordship,
will
if my
prob-
petition may be
and then
treated
you
as a
see,
bail application,
you
Lordship.
have filed quashing petition also.
Lordship.
Quashing of what?
The impugned order, my lord. But I have also filed under
How
bail.
that can be quashed?
Lordship, yes, it's an interlocutory order. It can be quashed. I'll satisfy my lord if given the opportunity. But
It's bail is discretion.
Lordship, yes.
How the discretion can be quashed?
The reason,
Exercising
Yes.
of the discretion power of
Yes,
the court
Lordship,
can
yes.
be quashed.
Yes, it is an intellect.
In his discretion, it was in his discretion.
Lordship,
According to him, he found
Lordship.
a prima facie case against, and it was a premature.
Lordship.
How that can be quashed?
Lordship, given the opportunity, I'll make an attempt. However, my lord,
Yes.
I've also invoked the provision of bail, given the extraordinary circumstances.
So
If
that
my
is what
lord
I'm
may
saying.
hear me on bail,
Quashing would be a little difficulty.
Lordship.
Why don't you file a separate bail application? And then in that case, the IO
Yes.
will clarify.
Yes,
If there is nothing, you are entitled for bail.
Lordship, I filed under
then
bail petition also,
why
and the
you are
report is
challenging
here.
that instead of filing subsequent bail application?
Lordship, this may be treated as a subsequent bail application, Lordship. The provision has been
This is
invoked.
quashing petition.
Lordship,
How it can go
528 is
together?
there, BNSS, Lordship. This is an application for bail also, Lordship. And fresh ground is there, Lordship. If my lord may take in account the extraordinary circumstances, Lordship. Accused person's trial has
What
been
is
brought.
difficulties? You are worried about the stamp paper.
No, Lordship,
no,
the
sorry, not
delay,
stamp
Lordship.
paper.
The accused
Court
person-
fees, court fees of how much?
No, Lordship, certainly not. Accused person's wife has just given birth. The child has died, Lordship. That is the
That is why-
circumstances, Lordship.
You should have filed bail application, could have been considered. The IO, then in that case, will not club together with all those complications that he is involved. The another person is also there. No? And then he exercised the discretion power, so that complications will not be there. And the bail application, purely bail application, if we take up, and if there's nothing against you, you will be released only.
Lordship, I've
But
invoked
you
bail
have complicated
application
by
here,
filing this
Lordship.
quashing petition.
Lordship, my prayer also is for bail here,
That
Lordship.
cannot be
Why,
separated. Yes.
Lordship, if Lordship may reconsider, please, because this, Lordship, I've invoked for 528 of the BNSS, that is for bail.
Now, if you're seeking bail,
Yes,
and the
Lordship.
case has not yet been charged sheeted, then there's the report.
And Lordship, I'll abide by any terms and conditions, my lord, given the extraordinary circumstances.
This status report is in person to the order passed by this court.
Yes,
This is in the,
It is finished to me only, yes, Thursday, day before yesterday, I think, or yesterday or day before yesterday. Day before yesterday, I think. But Lordship, again, if it is to be considered in terms of bail application, I don't know whether the parity that which the two other bail applications have been made to withdrawn will apply in this case or not. Authorization.
no authorization,
No,
Yeah.
Lordship,
no authorization.
no, Lordship. But since this is stemming from a trial court matter, the matter has already been taken up, Lordship. So if my lord may kindly make an exemption. Lordship, the mother and child protection card is also enclosed, Lordship, on humanitarian grounds, if my lord may kindly consider. Page 26, Lordship.
What is in page
Page
26?
26, Lordship. This is the mother and child protection card issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Lordship. And the type copy is in the following page 26.
Child is aged about?
Lordship, the child was to be born on 9th of this month, but the child has been born and the child did not survive, Lordship. On 11th, he was born.
On 11.
Yes,
While
Lordship.
she was inside.
No, yes, Lordship. And he has not been informed till now also.
So what do you mean?
The accused person was in custody. He has been custody this whole time. His child was to be born on the 9th of this month, Lordship. And while he continues to be in custody, his child was already born on the 11th of this month. And the child did not survive, Lordship.
Stillborn.
Yes, stillborn. He survived for 30 minutes, I'm told by my clients.
So she gave birth while she was in under custody.
Lordship, his wife, Lordship, the accused person's wife, who is in Kachar district in Assam.
Okay.
Lordship.
Not the accused.
No, Lordship. my apologies. my apologies. That is the extraordinary circumstances under which I'm here today. And
The accused is a male only.
yes, he's the father. He's the father of this child. His wife needs him physically, mentally, even financially, Lordship. And in the past also, registry has insisted that we enclose authorization letter in habeas corpus matters, but not in this matters, Lordship. So if the accused becomes a victim of circumstance, it will be unfortunate.
We cannot separate. We cannot just discriminate. So there is no authorization.
Lordship.
Then how do we accept? It has to be authorized. We did not accept the others. How do we accept yours? On what condition? On what
Lordship,
ground?
on extraordinary grounds, Lordship. There is a urgency here, Lordship.
I think you better withdraw, file separate for quashing, and then also bail. There is no, if there is no authorization, you have no authorization.
Very well, Lordship.
No, we will have to set it in right. Because this has probably has been doing earlier in earlier case also. Better you separate it. Bail application we can expeditiously we can take up. You
Lordship.
file tomorrow itself.
I will.
Hmm?
Lordship.
Or today also.
I'll file it today itself, Lordship. Yes.
In the afternoon, if you file,
Yes, Lordship.
we'll issue and then ask Mr. Angami to obtain instruction in the bail. Yes. If you file today,
Lordship.
you better withdraw. We will not allow, since we did not allow the others.
Okay.
So parity. Okay. Mr. Alejo Kriya, Lana Counsel for the petitioner. Sami says, Sami says, so wants to withdraw this criminal petition with liberty to file afresh. The prayer is allowed. This criminal petition is dismissed on being on withdrawn with liberty as prayed for. Okay.
Lordship, if please, Lordship, may I have the.
Yes, you have. But the IO, you have to instruct the IO,
Yes.
investigate the case properly.
Yes.
In some case, the IO declared,
Yes.
file charge sheet, the, as if he has decided the case,
Exactly, Lordship.
not to behave like a court.
Lordship, yes. Lordship.
For admission. For orders. Item number 31.
May I please, your lordship?
Okay, your affidavit has been rejected. Who filed affidavit today? This morning?
Lordship, the petitioner, that is for dusty service. Lordship, I have an instruction to appear for respondent number 2 and 3, lordship.
Okay, since you are already appearing,
Lordship,
okay, so appearing,
on behalf of
you
respondent
want to file,
2 and
are you going to file objection?
31, item 47 to 47 of 2024, lordship.
Yes,
Item 31, yes. Lordship, we are not filing any objection to it.
not filing,
Yes, lordship.
okay. Mr. JC, huh? Land Counsel for the petitioner. Miss Mika Land Counsel appear on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3. What is this petition? Quashing petition?
Lordship, it's for quashing.
It's a joint petition or it's not a joint petition?
Not a joint petition.
Then I think you have to file supporting the case of the petitioner also.
Lordship.
And press for some time to file affidavit. You file in affidavit form
Lordship.
if you have no objection.
Lord-
So that since you are supporting the case of the petition,
Lordship.
the prayer is allowed. How much time?
2 weeks, lordship.
Okay. We pray for 2 weeks time to file affidavit, huh? Start. In opposition if required. Okay, so the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Much
Obliged, Lordship. For orders, item number 32.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing for all the respondents, that is respondent 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
I filed my counter this morning, and I've also served a copy to the petitioner this morning.
Okay, it was awaited since you are appearing.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship.
You have received the copy?
Yes, Lordship. Lord.
Fire Mr. Chisi, Land Counsel for the petition. Mr.
Jamir.
Zamir, Land Counsel appear. You are appearing for the first time or earlier appeared already?
Oh, we have
Appeared.
appeared.
Okay, Zamir. Appearing on behalf of the respondent number?
All the respondents,
All the respondents are Mr. He has filed affidavit. Affidavit in
opposition.
opposition for an on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Today,
Lordship, this morning.
or this morning, Mr. Chisi, Land Counsel for the petitioner, submit that he has received a copy of the affidavit filed by the respondent. So when do you want this matter is to be heard?
My lord, after vacation, my lord. If
Okay, stop. Let's pray for by both the Land Counsel for the parties, least this matter. After vacation means after a week only,
after 2 weeks, my lord.
weeks.
yeah.
after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For it will be for hearing only then,
Admission hearing, my
for
lord.
admission hearing. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship. For hearing, item number 34.
So there was a direction to the district judge probably to record the evidence.
Lordship, actually, this is been handled by one of my colleagues, Lordship.
So
if this court elsewhere, or if the matter will be listed tomorrow or after vacation. Lordship.
because district judge was to record the evidence. You are not representing here?
No, Lordship.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Just a minute. Appellant. Well, Mr. Angami Counsel for appear on behalf of Miss, or appearing on behalf of.
For state Lordship.
Okay, you are representing.
No, actually not me, Lordship.
Who is appearing?
I think this is most probably, I'm sorry to say in that way, but my senior colleague, Mr. Imti, Lordship.
Okay, no, we'll say no one appears on behalf of, no one appears on court. Oh, sorry. Okay, then the earlier one, no one appears on behalf of the appellant. How is Mr. Angami appears on behalf of Imti. Emsong, Nana Edison AG.
Lordship, then can you list the matter after vacation, Lordship?
For the state respondent and submits that the additional evidence which was directed to be adduced or taken in the instant case has not yet been completed by the district judge Kohima. And prayers for some more time. Stop prayer allowed. List is met after 4 weeks.
A pleasure.
It will be 4 weeks only because the additional affidavit was directed to be taken by the district judge.
Hello, pleasure.
For hearing from the supplementary cost list, item number 60 and 61.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship? Lord, for conclusion of my submissions, I'll take 30 or 40 minutes only or less. And your lordship, before I go to the deposition of the defendant, I would like to reiterate what I have submitted in the previous submission occasion, in the previous hearings, regarding the payment of.
Have you prepared a small gist of the case?
No, your lordship.
No.
But, no.
This is probably this is a long case. Gist of prepare would help us actually.
Of course.
If the gist is prepared, gist of the case is prepared, that would help us to understand immediately.
Yes.
So, say for example, as we have seen, the deposition of the plaintiff evidence is very long.
Yes.
Sort the relevant portion, one or small 2 paragraphs. In small 2 paragraphs, it can be concised into.
Yes.
That would help us to understand actually, because it's very long. How many pages? The evidence is a very long one, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Then,
So the relevant portion, if your junior can just bring out the relevant of the evidence also. Just the list of date.
Yes.
List of date. That would help. It appears that
we'll make it.
So many dates are also there.
It may take a little time. So whether we should complete this first or whether we can.
What we can do
We
is
can
if we
prepare
can,
that and then in next week.
argument your side.
Yes.
We can have today.
Yes.
And then in the meantime, your junior will prepare one list of date. And then today, if the argument is finished, both will submit a list of date. I'll carry as a CAB. If not finished, then from your side, we'll hear you. And then at the same time, we can continue tomorrow also if the gist, list of date is prepared tomorrow, if it can be given tomorrow.
We'll make an attempt.
It will be very difficult because I'm coming from Dimapur.
Okay,
So even the communication, not complication, there's a
right.
traffic problem. So
What I
because
found is this, because the evidences are longer,
Yes, it's long.
and then the dates are also
Yes.
different.
Yes.
The persons are also, so different occasion, at least of date will help.
Then, Your Lordship, I propose that we'll prepare a gist of our argument
Yes,
as brief as possible.
yes.
And then similarly, my friend will prepare. So can we take up with the next date when Your Lordships come back? So that we can submit our
Yes.
gist of
That will of
arguments
course
and
help
then
me
we can
also to
conclude it.
understand, because I thought it was a simple one.
No,
Yes.
Then I thought it was a simple one, 50, and
yes.
then the percentage 8, then 6, and then he's ready and it will go. But it's not like that. He's
No,
disputing
it's not
everything.
like that. Yes,
So in that way, the list of date will be necessary.
Your Lordship.
Otherwise, I have understood that
Yes,
more or less I have understood, but then the correct date
yes,
and then the person who has stated what,
yes,
that I will be requiring
yes,
to understand it better.
true.
So the 2014 case,
Yes.
So in that case, Your Lordship, if it can be taken up on your next.
okay,
Right.
okay.
That we
Next-
So that we
also
come
have
prepared with that.
sufficient time.
That
yes.
will help me, that will help me, because repeatedly, while learning counsel for the senior counsel is submitting, and in the meantime, to understand the things, again, I used to go back.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
So that complications are there.
Yes.
In this case, I thought it's a simple, but it's not that simple also.
yes,
Because the calculation of interest are also.
yes.
And then the proposed, in the argument, the proposed, you are proposed to pay, how much? There also be,
Okay,
how much you are proposed to pay.
yes,
Okay, and then your calculation also according to your, how much it comes now at this stage.
My lord.
So that also, so it will help me also.
Yes.
Then in that case, we can,
Your Lordship, before the court judges and dispersed today,
Yes, yes.
I have an apology. I
Yes.
tender my unconditional apology because in the last previous submission hearing, it was my folly because I was under the total impression that the Nagaland Money Lenders Act 2005.
Nagaland?
Money Lenders Act.
Yes,
Nagaland
ah.
Money Lenders Act 2005.
Yes,
Now, the trial court says it's applicable.
okay, yes.
My learned friend
It
says
says somewhere.
it's not applicable.
Ah,
And in the last submission, I said it is not applicable.
ah,
Now, after going through the depositions of the defendant,
ah,
I was the impression that it relates to only societies or groups. But when I go through again the relevant provision, section 3, it says no person,
okay.
no person. And the act did not define the meaning of person. So it can be an individual, or it can be a legal entity, a legal person, or it can be a group of person. So there, my apology is that last time without, because of my folly, I said it is not applicable. But it appears that what the judge says in that 2005 Act is applicable.
Okay,
I think it is applicable now.
okay,
The only thing is that whether it is applied to him or not, that will be different.
okay.
Yes,
Apply to this case or not?
yes.
Okay.
That
No problem.
I
That
was
happens,
under the
that
wrong
happens.
impression.
For that aspect, since this respondent has not filed any cross appeal, I think he has considered to that provision of Nagaland Money
Okay.
Lenders Act.
So then next date, both of you will come with the list of that.
Yes.
And I will try to complete. And then on that day, what I will do is we'll try when this is listed, This will be listed as part hard only?
Yes, part one.
Okay, then in that case, probably the registry also will understand.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry about that.
Then it will be only after 4 weeks. Because 1 week goes and
Yes.
another 2 weeks I'm not there. So thereafter only, last part of November or December, probably I'm likely to be here. So
Right.
after 4 weeks,
Yes.
there's a part hard. Okay.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, hard, Mr. R. Irado. National Counsel, as he said by Ms. Mabeni, Lion Counsel for the appellant. No, appellant. Also had Mr. M. Kilmacom, Lion Counsel for the respondent. Hard in part, list is matter after 4 weeks. Okay. Good. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Sure.
No, I think yes, what the close of the. There are what they, you are denying what.
Yeah.
Only once the dates.
Yes.
And that one, I think has got that remaining.
What are you calling them? I'm looking at the after 2 weeks, we forget.
Yeah.
You are very.
Oh. Oh, itu video sih. Nomor bu. Ini mau apa gitu lah? Kopi nggak? Di file berbeda, kita file berbeda, kalau gitu. Nah, dia kalau tak seduli oleh itu, mention perform nama kita tak seduli oleh itu.
Siapa yang berpengaruh ini ya?
Itu, dia lah. Nah,
Abdi
tak lapor kita nggak?
ketemu
Bisa.
Baju
Itu aneh di view.
dan di luar. Kayak itu di sana. Itu sih kan. Nilai kami di luar. Itu di sana.
8, 9, 10. What? Part 3.